Hello, and welcome to Healthy Habits. Are you struggling with an enlarged prostate? Don't worry. Today, we'll share with you the top 7 vitamins that can naturally help shrink your prostate. Discover their benefits, food sources, and the best ways to incorporate them into your diet for better prostate health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more health tips. Let's get started. Discover the 7 essential vitamins that may help shrink an enlarged prostate, including their benefits, food sources, and recommended daily intake. Understanding benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a common condition that affects many men as they age. The prostate is a small gland located beneath the bladder, and its primary function is to produce fluid that aids in sperm transport during ejaculation. However, as men grow older, the prostate can enlarge, leading to various urinary symptoms. An enlarged prostate can press against the urethra, the tube that carries urine out of the body, causing symptoms such as frequent urination, difficulty starting urination, weak urine flow, incomplete bladder emptying, dribbling after urination, urinary tract infections, UTIs. Although an enlarged prostate is not life-threatening, it can significantly impact a man's quality of life. Fortunately, certain vitamins and minerals have been shown to support prostate health and may help reduce its size. 7 essential vitamins to support prostate health. 1. Vitamin D. Recent research has highlighted the significant impact of vitamin D on prostate health, particularly in reducing the size of an enlarged prostate. Vitamin D helps lower inflammation in the prostate, potentially shrinking it. Additionally, it regulates cell growth, preventing uncontrolled cell division within the prostate gland. Food sources: fatty fish, salmon, tuna, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and cereals. Supplementation: vitamin D is widely available in capsule and liquid form. 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that acts as a powerful antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the inflammation contributing to prostate enlargement. Additionally, vitamin E aids in hormone regulation, potentially reducing the risk or slowing the progression of BPH. Food sources: nuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. Recommended intake: 15 milligrams per day for adults. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has potent anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce prostate inflammation associated with BPH. It is also a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is essential for prostate health. Additionally, vitamin C helps regulate hormone levels and inhibits the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which is linked to prostate enlargement. Food sources: citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens. Potential benefits: research suggests vitamin C supplementation may help alleviate BPH symptoms. 4. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its role in hormone regulation. It assists in the conversion of the amino acid tryptophan into niacin, which is essential for synthesizing sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Additionally, vitamin B6 supports neurotransmitter production, including serotonin and dopamine, which are vital for nervous system function. Food sources: poultry, bananas, potatoes, and fortified cereals. Recommended intake: 1.7 milligrams per day for men over 50. 5. Zinc. Zinc is a crucial mineral for prostate health. Known for its ability to reduce inflammation and inhibit the conversion of testosterone into DHT, a hormone linked to prostate growth. Zinc also supports a strong immune system and promotes cell apoptosis, programmed cell death, in prostate cells, which can help regulate prostate size. Food sources: oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and legumes. Recommended intake: 11 milligrams per day for men. 6. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral naturally found in soil, water, and various foods. It has anti-inflammatory properties and plays a vital role in immune system support. Selenium may help reduce inflammation and prevent the abnormal growth of prostate cells. Food sources: Brazil nuts, seafood, eggs, and whole grains. Recommended intake: 55 micrograms per day for adults, safe upper limit. 400 micrograms per day. 7. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is an herbal supplement rich in bioactive compounds such as fatty acids and phytosterols, which exhibit anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic effects. By reducing DHT levels, saw palmetto may help shrink the prostate and alleviate BPH symptoms. It also has antioxidant properties that protect the prostate from oxidative stress and damage. Recommended dosage: 160 to 320 milligrams per day, depending on the product and condition being treated. Additional tips for prostate health. In addition to incorporating these essential vitamins and minerals into your diet, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key to prostate health. Consider the following habits. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Exercise regularly to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Stay hydrated to support urinary function. Limit caffeine and alcohol intake to reduce bladder irritation. Manage stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. By taking proactive steps, including proper nutrition and supplementation, you can support prostate health and reduce the impact of BPH on your daily life.